Hello everyone, welcome to AWS Cloud and Linux Foundation course for freshers. A very good morning and good evening. So in this course, I'm going to talk about the agenda, the course index and the program highlights. Before we get start with the session, so I do request everyone please be on mute. Do not turn on the video which will be creating a distractions. So if you have any specific questions, please do put it in the chat window or else please do wait until I complete the demonstration of this lecture so that you can unmute yourself and can raise your question so that will be get answered during our question and answer section. Thank you. Before getting to the more details, I would like to introduce myself. This is PR Reddy. I'm working as a cloud and DevOps architect role. It's been 13 years now working in IT industry, providing various solutions for the real-time business problems, working on different domains. I do work as a author, YouTuber, instructor, trainer. I'm passionate into more technical trainings, and it's been 10 years now into the technical training, delivering the various technologies to the thousands of people. Now coming back to this specific course, and this course is more useful for whom, right? So as I said, this course will be designed exclusively for the freshers who would like to get started with their career in IT and who are interested to learn the basics of the AWS and the Linux foundation level concepts, right? Which will be a must skill for every IT engineer irrespective of whether you are working in a DevOps role or in a analytics role or in a developer or in a administrator role, these cloud and the Linux basics will be a must skill, right, to work in AIT, right? And this course is designed for the IT associates as well, like who are actually beginning to the IT, having a less experience, would like to know more about the cloud and the Linux foundations, right? And this is the exclusive course designed for these beginners, right? And why is this course for? So we have designed this course in terms of building the community of the techies to group them and collaboratively can start learning and expertise on these technology stacks. And we are actually conducting this session in terms of supporting the freshers to get start with this journey in IT. And as I said, this is the get start guide for them to explore the IT world and learn the minimum basics that would be you know required as a prerequisites for any other advanced courses that you would like to subscribe, right? And when I talk about the program highlights of this course, we do provide the learning notes for each session. After every session, we are going to give you some quick reference learning notes for you to go through and remember the points and the steps for the execution. We do provide the WhatsApp and the web portal technical support to solve your queries and unblocking you, right, when you are doing some practices during the learning times, right? And we do give you the weekly assignments which will be help you to have a hands-on experience on these technologies to get more expertise and learn the things how these technologies will be applied in the real time to solve certain problems, right? So that exploration will be given to you in the form of a weekly assignment. And yes, you will be getting the session recordings as part of this subscription of this course for you to revisit the recording video a couple of times to get most out of it, right? As you know, the each time when you watch a video, your way of perception will be differ, right? And the way how you are understanding the concepts will be better and better as and when you go through the session multiple times. Well, and we do provide you the resume preparation in terms of customizing the resume as per your profile by integrating these Linux and the AWS cloud concepts and the different assignments that you are undergoing through this course, right? These skills will be get customized it into your profile and will be helping you in terms of get start with your profile marketing as well, right? And when it comes to the curriculum part, yes, we do focus on the Linux Foundation. That is where we will be targeting on Linux architecture and some common Linux skills that you must be aware of, like the permissions, file systems, directory, file management, networking, the user management, LVMs, right? The different editors that you must be knowing to manage the files. And in the cloud side, yes, we do provide you the AWS Foundation and some of the cloud basics. And towards the AWS, we do cover the different basic services like EC2, the EC2 concepts like EBS, key pairs, security groups, the golden AMIs, right? Along with the Apache web server deployment to see a minimal static website hosting to make your infrastructure skills towards making a real-time web application live, right? That's the goal. And thank you, team. This is what I would like to talk about the today agenda. I would like to talk about, I mean to say, I have covered the outline of the course, the highlights, and the index part. And this course is designed for who exactly? So, so yeah, if you have any specific questions, do let me know. Or else we're good for today. We'll get started with this journey right from next day, right? And we will continue this journey for 2 weeks of time, hardly. So it may be a plus or minus 5 days, but we'll continue discussing these concepts, right? Thoroughly, right? And I hope this will be definitely helpful for you to get into this particular domain and start your career with, right? And thank you, team. If you have any specific questions, do let me know, or else we are good for today. We'll regroup tomorrow and we'll continue our